landed here in Hong Kong with the founders of SKREAM, Kevin and Nicholas. Say hi.
Hi.
They surprised us with our custom bikes that I haven't told anyone about, and neither has these guys. Let's give us a sneak peek. What? Oh, that's crazy.
Let's do it one by one.
Damn! Man, that's so light.
Oh yeah, I'm afraid of it. Yeah, it looks awesome. They look great. What is this frame?
Yeah, this is just like a brick 17. Oh,
Yeah.
I just need to like
You're transporting it.
give it to Canada.
Sell it to China. Like there's so many collectors in China.
Huh? Seems very precarious. So yeah. Wanna wait it. Pretty still.
Alright, where are we going right now?
Food.
Easy. That's it. You guys heard it here first.
Heard it here first. Chaz, that's dope.
How's the meal on the plane?
Not that. They're okay. On the river. Like on the river right now.
Expert.
Bit of a connoisseur.
I do like
Sure,
my imported
sure.
cigarettes.
Do you want a cheap one from Canada?
Oh,
You can try. These are probably better.
mint or
It's just plain. You try. Those are better. Those are better. These are.
Good foods.
We are going. What was that guy's shop we're going to? A Fixed Gear Cafe next?
Yeah, Karai Coffee HK.
Pull it up right there.
Yeah.
去探翻後啲咧，係。
好啊。
我個車場入唔到啊！如果大車就
好啊好啊好啊。
大車你搞唔到入去，冚家鏟阻撚住我入停車場，咪得屌柒佢哋，全部都屌啲。
Going on Lavello. All of these custom frames. What's next?
Yeah.
And you guys drank some beer in there?
Of course.
Of course,
Yeah.
with that fried dish, really good.
Yeah. No, it's really good.
Hell yeah.
You know.
Really out here.
Yeah.
And with that, the 2024. That's day one concluded.
Yeah, day one was fucking packed, bro. I'm actually tired of shit.
Can't believe we built the bikes already.
Yeah.
Not even 24 hours.
That was surprising. That was a good surprise.
Hell yeah. I mean, I asked them. They were like, "Yo, do you want to build a bike?" I'm like, "Yeah, done." So I think it was a good call.
Who got all these snacks?